Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect the wired headphone to this device. So you already know in this device we will not get any headphone port. So I will show you how to connect the wired headphone to this device. So let me show you, this is the headphone. Now I am going to connect this device. You can see the headphone. Okay. So you can see this is a 3.5 mm audio pin, you can see, right? So let me show you, we don't have any headphone port. So let me show you how to connect this one to this device. Okay, to connect this one we need to buy one adapter. You can see, I will give the link in the description box, please check it out. Okay, and the one side is the USB-C port and the other one 3.5 mm port. Okay, so let me show you how to connect this one. First of all, connect this headphone port to this 3.55 audio audio pin. Now easily connect this C type port to here, like this, right? You can see. So now you can easily listen the music using this adapter from the headphone. So simply in this way you can connect the wired headphone to this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.